Hi guys, it's Nunu. This is our week 7 message. We are in week 15 of the traditional 16-week semester. Okay, so in week 15 in modules, December 3rd through 7th, what do we have to do? We have our narrative frame MLA format work and a quiz. I can get into modules through the left menu here or through this handy link. I'm going to click here. And this will take me to week 15. Okay, so in week 15, these are all of our assignments. They are due on December 9th. Go ahead and click on these assignments, read the directions, and if you have any questions or concerns, I am here. Now, please keep in mind that earlier, the 5-page essay you wrote and also the narrative frame you are working on this week will become your term paper. You can build that together into your term paper. You want to pay attention to my notes for the 5-page essay, which I will return to you this week, and also the narrative frame, which I will return to you during the weekend. Pay attention to those notes and use them to build the term paper, okay? And be sure to read the directions. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox, and I am also keeping my office hours. As you know, I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu. My office hours are in General Classroom Building 210D, Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:45 to 2:15 p.m. Okay, I hope you have a good week, and if you have any questions or concerns, remember I'm here.